Right now, your mornings might be shaping your future, and you don't even notice it, because the first hour of your day sets the tone for everything. Your focus, your energy, your decisions. But here's the truth. Most people give that hour away without thinking. They wake up, grab their phone, start scrolling, reacting. And it feels normal, right? But wait, what if that one habit is costing you your best life? Think about it. Before your day even starts, your mind is already full. Noise, updates, other people's priorities. So when it's time to focus, you feel drained. Why? Because your brain already spent its energy. This is where it changes. There's a simple idea called the 20-20-20 rule. And no, it's not complicated, but it is powerful. First 20 minutes, move your body. Not perfectly, just enough to feel it. Get your heart rate up, because movement wakes up your brain. It boosts your mood. It gives you energy you actually earned. And that matters more than you think. Here's the shift. When you earn your energy, you value it more. You use it better. And suddenly, starting your day feels easier. But wait, most people still miss this. They think success comes from motivation. It doesn't. It comes from identity. If you keep telling yourself, "I'm not a morning person," guess what? You won't act like one. But if you start saying, "I'm someone who takes control of my mornings," everything begins to shift. Slowly, naturally. Next 20 minutes, reflect. Yeah, this is the part people skip, because sitting alone with your thoughts, not easy. But that's exactly why it works. Write things down. Think about your goals. Plan your day. Because clarity changes everything. Here's something most people don't realize. Stress often comes from confusion, not knowing what to do next. But when your mind is clear, you feel in control. And that changes how you show up. Last 20 minutes. Grow. Read something useful. Learn a new idea. Build your mindset. Because while most people are still asleep, you're investing in yourself. And that creates an edge, a real one. Now here's the important part. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about what you do when you wake up. That's the difference. You don't need to be extreme. You need to be consistent. Because small actions, done daily, create big results over time. But wait, there's a catch. Most people try to change everything overnight. Wake up early, work out, eat perfect, read every day. And then they burn out. Why? Because change feels uncomfortable at first. Your brain likes easy habits. So when you push too hard, it pushes back. This is why starting small works. Even 30 minutes earlier, even one simple habit. That's enough, because consistency builds confidence, and confidence builds identity. Here's another truth. Your attention is your most valuable asset. If you don't protect it, something else will take it. So protect your mornings. No phone, no notifications, no distractions. Just you and your growth. Let's make it real. Imagine two people, same job, same skills. One wakes up late, rushes, reacts. The other wakes up with intention, moves, thinks, learns. Fast forward a few months, they're in completely different places, not because of luck, but because of habits. And this is where everything connects. Energy, focus, discipline, identity. They all start in the morning. So here's the real question. It's not, can you wake up early? It's, who do you become if you do? Because your life doesn't change overnight. It changes in quiet moments, early mornings, small decisions. Start there. Stay consistent and watch what happens. If this made you think differently, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What time are you waking up tomorrow?